Uh, Very warm welcome to all of you. Today in this video we are going to discuss about how we can configure Dialogflow CX agent into GitHub. So without wasting time, let's get started. First thing what we need to do, basically whatever Dialogflow code we have in this console. So we need to put this code into GitHub. So we need to create a one GitHub repository in GitHub. So I will give name as a her key chatbot. If you want to add your readme file, please check out in read please check out readme. Click on checkbox in readme file. In .git ignore file, please select as a python. Okay, here you can see the your GitHub repository is ready. So now we need to go here. We You can see the Dialogflow CX console, and here you can see the testing and deployment. No GitHub integration be added yet, so we didn't do any GitHub integration. So let's here we can find the official documentation how we can configure Git using Git in Dialogflow CX. So first we need to whatever which name I want to give, so I give name as a Harkey chatbot, and I need to copy the repository URL, Control C, and here I need to enter the repository name. Please listen to very carefully. Here we need to add .git extension, yeah. And which version control system we need to use? Here we can use GitHub, but you can push your code into GitLab, Bitbucket, anywhere. So what is the naming convention of this thing? Here you can see in the main. So basically our branch is main. In branch we need to select a main, yeah. This is a very self-explanatory, but another thing is very tricky part. Please listen to very carefully. So yeah, here you can see we need to create a one GitHub token. So go to GitHub. Otherwise you can directly go here. You can see my I login in my GitHub account. Click on my icon and please click on setting. Here we have a last option, GitHub developer setting. Go to personal access token and create a one token. You can create any token. Please enter your correct password. I give name as a Dialogflow demo. Please provide necessary access for this repository, for this token, so we can uh, push our code to repository. Yeah, generate a token. Please copy this token and put it in notepad file. Perfect. Now next, which thing we want to do? We need to enable secret manager API. So please click on secret manager API, and yeah, so click on secret manager. If API is not enabled for you, please enable that API. Yeah, here you can see the manage. Its API is already enabled for this project. If you didn't see the enable option, please click on this and it will enable the API. Okay, next thing which we need to do, create a secret. So how we want to create a secret? Enable first the secret manager. Yeah, go to secret manager page. Now we enable the secret manager API. Here you can see this is a security console, and here we can find secret manager. Yeah, here you can see the secret manager. We need to select particular project. Which project? Okay, it will take some time. Okay, let me um, okay, this API is enabled. Now let's go to secret manager page. Okay, there are issue with I have a multiple project and multiple email ID in this thing. So what I try to do, just I copy paste this secret manager in um, console, and yeah, just click on secret manager. Here we can see the create a secret option. Please click on create a secret option. So I will give name as a Dialogflow CX. Upload a secret value. So which secret we want to upload? This secret we know we want to upload. So yeah, put this value. Yeah, means as per your business need, you can manage Google manage encryption or customer manage encryption. Also you can set expiration date and just create a secret. Okay, so here you can see the version 1. Now we need to go third option and copy resource name, and go to back Dialogflow CX. Yeah, here you can see you need to put this code in here, and just click your connect and just click your push. I can say working code, or I whatever you want to give commit message, just give that commit message. Git service is not ready. Yeah, we face this type of problem very frequently. So what you need to do, um, it will take some time to configure the Git service. Let me uh, okay, I will pause this video. After you can see currently I'm in 310. After 30 minutes or 5 or 10 minutes, it will be everything will appear here. Okay, it will take some time. Okay, yeah. Thank you so much. This is the official procedure. After 30 minutes, after it will take some time to configure, you can the push your code, and you can see the entire Git repository code in this repository. So yeah, thank you so much. Have a great day.